Today I want to talk about sourdough bread, and we are using lactobacilli and other starter cultures. We don't use baking soda and yeast and like they use in commercial breads. So this starter cultures like lactobacilli, they help in releasing lactic acid and fermenting the sugars in the wheat. Now, lactic acid it's definitely responsible for the sour flavor and the acidic pH of the dough, which in turns it activates the phytase enzyme. The phytase enzyme is responsible for deactivation of phytic acid. Now, we all know phytic acid is responsible for a lot of hormonal disruptions, and it binds with magnesium and copper and zinc and iron and manganese and other important nutrients which the body requires, and reduces the absorption from the gut. So the deactivation of phytic acid through activation of phytase, which is basically because of the lactic acid coming from the probiotic bacteria, is the main thing. Sourdough is so important. Now, people claim that it's a probiotic source. No, it is not a probiotic source, because the bacteria eventually they die when the bread is baked in the oven. Another very important thing is that the sugars are fermented and they're ready to be absorbed by your gut, and the amount of fibers from bran and other things that you add in your bread, everybody has different recipes for it, but it's the prebiotics. These fibers are the prebiotics which go in your gut, and then they help to repopulate the natural microbial flora in your gut. And these are the things which make sourdough a very good nutrient dense food, and it's really filling. And because of this acidic pH, it's resistant to molds. In a Ziploc bag, it can stay in your fridge for a week easily. Just toss it up in the toaster and enjoy it with your free range eggs. Thank you.